Welcome to Storytime Pals! Subscribe to keep the stories coming! Hi friends, it's your pal Amber here, and today we're going to read another great book about how awesome it is to be exactly who you are. Are you ready to read with me? Let's read Martin Likes Cooking. This is Martin. Martin feels a bit different from other children. I wonder why. I like to read. But why might he feel different? I like kites too. Do you? Does he feel different because he is a great chef? What do you think? Does he feel different because he loves making his mother's extravagant hairstyle? That's pretty cool that he can do that. Does he feel different because he always dresses in pastel colors? I like that skirt. Does he feel different because he enjoys singing in church with his grandfather? Does he feel different because he takes care of your orchard at home? I wish I had an orchard at home. That'd be cool to have apples like that. No, he feels a bit different from the other kids because he can dance salsa blindfolded. That's awesome. Dancing salsa blindfolded? Wow. And do you know what? It is okay to feel different. And what about you? Do you have special talents too? I bet you do, because everyone does. Everyone is different. Thanks for reading with me. See you next time. Bye!